It's the long-awaited soul enhancement video. What we're going to be doing is a breakfast-based soul enhancement because this is canon to the Shalama Show lore. Basically, a soul enhancement is crack cocaine for me. Like, crack, this stuff is. So we got hashy brownies, cream cheese, bagel. We're just going to let that sausage cook for a little bit more. And we'll assemble it and see what we need in the fridge. I would crack an egg. I actually might do that. Yeah, I'm going to do an egg. And we're going to do an egg. I think that's done. So we're going to crack an egg. Be right back, boys. So we got one egg down. And we'll do 2 eggs, but we're just going to show you the 1 egg. Going to season this egg with basically just traditional egg seasonings like pepper. You know, the usual. This ain't too hard. It's fucking eggs. Scramble it. This is the issue with eggs. Like, you gotta be quick as hell. So I don't make eggs very often. Any comment, like, if you got people who watch these videos still, is there any way that I could improve egg? Because that looks not raw. Like, I need to let it cook. I'm going to let that cook, and we'll show you how it looks when we're done, okay? So, bam, there's our 1 egg, and I'd say that's pretty done. Let me just flip it once more. Boom. Okay, that's done. That's a good-looking egg. 2 eggs right there. Bam. Cooks in about less than 2 minutes. If they're eggs, it's not really hard to cook. You just put it on a pan and cook it. Let me check on something real quick. Alright, so now we're gonna form the bagel, and we're using Lender's bagels. These are my favorite brand of bagels. They're the bagel of bagels. Let me just toast this. Need to use 2 hands again. Show you how that looks when I get it. Let me just get it on.